wide field of view camera on the front here, and then also on the bottom here there's a second wide field of view camera.